Hey guys, if you have been following my channel for a while, you will know that every week, I will do this weekly video on how to grow plants, right? In those videos, I talk about using the internet, using the online search to look for photos of plants in the wild, and from there we understand their growing conditions, and from there we replicate the same kind of environments, the same kind of growing conditions in our own garden, and that is the grow method. If you have not downloaded my ebook, click on the link below and download it for free today. But today, let's talk about something else, right? So what happens if we can't find good information or good resources online? I cannot find photos of this particular plant. I cannot find any articles about this plant. Right? So what happens next? So today I want to share with you another technique, right? Another technique that I have used to help me understand the growing requirements and the growing conditions of the plants. Right, so what I am going to show you today is something that is very highly advanced. Right? Not many gardeners know about it, and not many gardeners out there do this. So this is very powerful gardening technique that only the top professionals, the top gardeners use all the time. So today I'm going to share a small part with you, right, just to help you to get started. Right? If you like it, we can always do more videos on this. So this powerful technique is what I call the plant observation technique. So what you do is that you look at the plant, right? You observe the plant, and you look for there are different characteristics like the shape of the plant, the size of the plant, right? The color, and from there you can roughly tell, you can roughly deduce what are their growing conditions. Right, so for a start, let's do something simple. Let's look at just flowers. So flowers can tell us a lot about the plant. And so for example, the color of the flowers, right? They are sending us a certain message. Right? They are having colors because of certain reasons. And they come in many different colors, right? You can have red, you can have blue, you can have yellow, you can have white, right? Different colors means different things. Right? So what do flowers with bright colors mean? And why do flowers have all these very bright colors? Right? Plants invest in different colors because they want to attract insects or like bees and butterflies to come and pollinate their flowers. So it's like advertisements, right? All these neon signs trying to attract all these insects to come. And colors are only effective when there is strong light, right? When it's very bright, right? If the surroundings, if the environment is all dim and there's not a lot of light, right? Colors don't stand out. And so with that understanding, right, with that observation, you will know that this plant with bright flowers, they are sun-loving plants, right? They have bright colors like red, yellow, purple, which stands out under the sun, right, against all the green leaves, right? It is so obvious that you can't miss those flowers. Right, so these color, most likely they are sun-loving plants. How about plants that bloom in the night, right? When there's no sun, right? What happens next? Right? How do their flowers look like? So well, instead of investing in colors, now they invest their resources, their energy into perfume, right? So that they can attract the nocturnal insects. They can attract the birds to come and feed on them, pollinate them. Right? So if you are looking for like fragrant plants, right, you can easily skip all those that are brightly colored because most probably they are just nice looking, but they are not strong smelling. Right? There's no good scent from all this. Their energy are all spent in colors. Right? There are very few plants that are very fragrant and colorful at the same time. So for plants with flowers that bloom in the night, open in the night, right, their flowers are also usually white in color, right, because that's the only color that stands out in the darkness. You can't have red stand out in the middle of the night, right? You can't see red, right? You can only differentiate white and black. So if you see white flowers, you see small flowers, they are most likely to be fragrant. So can you see how powerful this technique is? Right? With this understanding, you can easily avoid many gardening mistakes. Right? Without doing any research, with plant observation only, you can easily avoid all these very common amateur mistakes. So can you imagine that you can walk into the nursery, right? And you confidently say, this plant needs sun, this plant loves shade. Right? I can't grow this at home, right? I can grow this at home. And flower is just one way, right? One type of plant observation technique. Right? You can look at others like leaves, fruits, the shape of the plant, the size of the plant, and other features. And together with all these observations combined, you are a true gardening guru. Right? So this is why I always advocate that gardening is not a practical activity, it's more of a knowledge-driven activity. Right? This is also why you see me talking about gardening in a room, right? Not out in the garden. Right? Because the key to success lies in knowledge, lies in your brain, not on your hands. So if you want to learn more about gardening, right? If you want to learn about other plant observation techniques, so make sure you leave a comment below, right? So that I know that my videos have helped you one way or the other. So also subscribe to my channel, right, if you have not done so. Every week you will see new videos like this to help you to become a better gardener. So join me on my mission to impact 1 million people. So go on, click on the subscribe button below, and I will see you soon in my next video.